Hi there, hope you all are well. Today is really special because today is our Independence Day. It's the 74th Independence Day for India, and on Independence Day, everybody fly kites. Even I do love to fly kite. And looking at the weather outside, it is windy. And I just want to complete my video because after I complete my video, I can go and fly kites. So let's move on to what we are going to know today. First of all, we are going to know about the fruits.
Be strong.
More than 50 types of fruit crops are grown in India on a commercial level, from apple to ziziphus. The tropical and the subtropical crops like mango, banana. Similarly, the temperate crops like fruit crops like peach, pear, apple, and the arid zone fruit crops like the palseo and bear are grown in India. India accounts for more than 10% of total world fruit production. India comes the first position for the production of mango, banana, sapota and lime. India records the highest for the productivity of the fruits. The leading states of India in terms of productivity of fruits are Karnataka, Maharashtra, UP, AP and Bihar. Well, now let us know about the different fruit crops one by one. So the first one is mango. Its botanical name is Mangifera indica. Major states growing mango are Andhra Pradesh, UP, Bihar, Karnataka and Maharashtra. Soil required is light red, lateritic and medium black soil. Climate should be hot and humid, frost free and rain free during flowering. In case of propagation, epicotyle, softwood and in-arch grafting can be done. The varieties of mango are Alfonso, Totapuri, Kesar, Dasheri, Neelam and Langra. For preparation of land, pits of 1 meter cube are digged. Then these pits are filled with topsoil, leaf mold, rotten farmyard manure, bone meal and insecticide powder. The planting distance should be 10 meter into 10 meter in generally and 2.5 meter into 2.5 meter for high density. Time of sowing is June to September. Manure applied is farmyard manure and that is to 50 kg. Fertilizer dose is 750 is to 180 is to 680 gram NPK per tree. They are generally rain-fed crops, so irrigation is required in the initial years. For interculture, intercropping, removing weeds and shrubs can be done. Yield which we will get is 500 fruits per tree. Now the next one is banana. Its botanical name is Musa species. Major states growing banana are Andhra Pradesh, Assam, Bihar, Gujarat, Karnataka and Maharashtra. Soil required is sandy loam and the pH should be 6.5 to 7.5. Climate required is humid, subtropical up to 2000 meter in altitude. In case of propagation, suckers, tissue culture can be done in the plant. Varieties are dwarf, Cavendish, robust and Puvan. For preparation of land, ploughing and preparation of trenches or pits can be done. Plant's distance should be 1.2 meter into 1.8 meter. Time of sowing is February to April, September to October and June to July. Manure applied is 10 kg of farmyard manure. Fertilizer dose is 250 is to 50 is to 300 gram NPK per tree. In case of irrigation, drip irrigation is useful. Furrow irrigation is also used. Interculture can be done by cutting the suckers and weeds regularly. Yield which we will get is 25 to 40 tons per hectare. The next one is grapes. Botanical name is Vitis vinifera. Major states growing grapes are Maharashtra, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, and Tamil Nadu. Soil required is alluvial, heavy black soil, and pH should be 6.5 to 7.5. Climate is hot and humid, frost free with low rainfall. Propagation can be done by cutting in situ grafting on dog rich rootstock. Varieties of grapes are Thompson seedless, Sonaka, Bangalore blue, Sharad seedless. Preparation of land can be done by plowing and preparation of trenches or pits. Planting distance should be 3 meter to 6 meter. Time of sowing is January to February and July to August. Manure is generally not required. Fertilizer dose is 500 is to 500 is to 1000 kg NPK per hectare in multiple slits. Irrigation required is light and frequent. Generally, drip irrigation is used. Interculture can be done by training, pruning, and clean cultivation. Yield which we will get is 20 to 50 tons of grapes per hectare. The next one is apple. Its botanical name is Malus pumila. Major states growing apple are Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Sikkim, Nagaland, and Meghalaya. Soil required is loamy rich soil, well drained, and pH should be 5.5 to 6.5. The climate should be temperate and they need cool season. Propagation can be done by tongue grafting and tea budding. Varieties of apple are Golden Delicious, Red Delicious, Red Chef, and many more. For preparation of land, pits of 1 meter cube are digged, which are then filled with soil and compost. Planting distance should be 6 meter to 8 meter. The time of sowing is December to January. Manure applied is 10 kg of farmyard manure. Fertilizer dose is 700 is to 350 is to 700 gram NPK per tree. In case of irrigation, no irrigation is required under rainy condition. Interculture can be done by clean basin management. The yield which we will get is 10 to 20 kg per tree in southern and 40 to 100 kg per tree in northern parts. The next one is guava. Its botanical name is Psidium gujava. Major states growing guava are UP, Maharashtra. Soil required is heavy clay to light sandy soil and the pH should be 4.2 to 8.2. The climate should be hot and dry with low night temperature. Propagation can be done by layering. Varieties are Lucknow 49, Allahabad, Safed, and Chittidar. Preparation of land can be done by plowing, leveling, preparation of 1 meter cube pits, and filling them with soil and farmyard manure. Planting distance is 5 meter to 8 meter, and the time of sowing is July to August. The manure required is farmyard manure, and that is 50 kg per tree. Fertilizer dose is 260 is to 320 is to 260 gram NPK per tree. In case of irrigation, these are generally rain-fed crops. Light irrigation is required in summer season if needed. Interculture can be done by training and pruning. Light cultivation is required. The yield which we will get is 100 kg fruit per tree. By the way, if you wish to know about the different methods for laying out of an orchard, then please click the link given in my description box and watch the video. The next one is Sapota. Its botanical name is Manikara achrus. Major states growing Sapota are Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, Karnataka, and Maharashtra. Soil required is light well drained soil. Climate should be warm and humid. In case of propagation, grafting on rayon stalks can be done. Varieties are Kali Patti, Pali Patti, cricket ball, and many more. For the preparation of land, pits of 1 meter cube are dug. Planting distance should be 8 meter to 10 meter, 5 meter into 5 meter for high density. Time of sowing is June to September. 100 kg of farmyard manure is required for a fully grown supporter tree. Fertilizer dose are 400 is to 160 is to 450 gram NPK per tree. Irrigation is required in 50 days interval in summers. Interculture can be done by intercropping, pruning and weeding. The yield which we will get is 15 to 20 tons of sapota per hectare. The next one is pomegranate. Its botanical name is Punica granatum. Major state growing pomegranate is Maharashtra. Soil required is well drained, sandy and loam. Climate is semi-arid, hot and dry. Propagation can be done by air layering. Varieties are Ganesh, Mridula, Arakta and Jyoti. For preparation of land, 30 centimeter cube pits are dug. Planting distance is 4 meter to 5 meter and 2.5 meter into 4.5 meter for high density. Time of sowing is all year around and the manure required is 10 kg of farmyard manure. Fertilizer dose is 600 is to 200 is to 200 gram NPK per tree. Irrigation required is drip irrigation. Interculture can be done by bahar treatment and pruning. The yield which we will get is 60 to 80 fruits per tree. The next one is orange. Its botanical name is Citrus reticulata. Major states growing orange are West Bengal, Karnataka and Maharashtra. Soil required is light, loamy, well drained and the pH should be 6 to 8. Climate should be frost free and dry, that is 10 degrees Celsius to 35 degrees Celsius. Propagation can be done by seeds and budding. Varieties are Kurga, Nagpuri and Kino. In case of preparation of land, 50 centimeter cube pits are dug. Planting distance should be 5 meter to 6 meter. Time of sowing is February to March and September to October. Manure required is 20 kg farmyard manure. Fertilizer dose is 450 is to 450 is to 900 gram NPK per tree. Irrigation required is light irrigation in 5 to 7 days interval. Interculture can be done by bahar treatment, weeding and light cultivation. The yield which we will get is 100 to 300 fruits per tree. The next one is coconut. Its botanical name is Cocos nucifera. Major states growing coconut are Andhra Pradesh, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka and Maharashtra. Soil required is laterite, sandy, alluvial and the pH should be 4.5 to 6.8. Climate required is hot and humid. Propagation can be done by seeds. Varieties are West Coast Tall, Pratap, TXD. For the preparation of land, pits of 1 meter cube are dug. Planting distance should be 7.5 to 10 meter. Time of sowing is October to November. Manure required is 50 kg farmyard manure. Fertilizer dose is 500 is to 320 is to 1200 gram NPK per tree. Regular irrigation is done from November. Interculture can be done by weeding and light cultivation. The yield which we will get is 100 fruits per tree. The last one is cashew nut. Its botanical name is Anacardium occidental. Major states growing cashew nut are Madhya Pradesh, West Bengal, Karnataka and Maharashtra. Soil required is red sandy loam and laterite soil. Climate should be hot and humid. Propagation can be done by softwood grafting. Varieties are Vengurla 4 to Vengurla 7. Preparation of land can be done by digging of 50 centimeter cube pits. Planting distance should be 7.5 meter to 8 meter. Time of sowing is June to September. Manure required is 10 to 15 kg of farmyard manure, and the fertilizer dose is 500 is to 125 is to 125 gram of NPK per tree. In case of irrigation, these are generally rain-fed crops. Interculture can be done by weeding and mulching. The yield which we will get is 5 to 10 kg fruits per tree. Finally, this is the end of my video and I hope you liked it. If you find my video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and share this video. By the way, if you are new to the channel, then please subscribe and click the bell icon for receiving the notification for our upcoming videos. As for our next video, it is still going to be on the fruit crops because there are 10 more fruit crops that are left. So I hope you will watch those videos, and till the next time we meet, bye bye and have a nice day.